Good morning, students. Please switch on your camera. Ayush Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is this, Ayush? Do you even know what's the time? You're brushing during class hours. Gaurav Surolia.
Yes, ma'am.
Rohit Roy.
Pailagu, ma'am.
Snehashish.
Ram Ram, ma'am.
Sanket.
इधर ही हूँ मैम.
Ansh. What is this, Ansh? Why are you playing bhajan and dancing in the class?
मैम, ईश्वर ने कहा है कि मेरी भक्ति करो, फल की चिंता मत करो। तो मैं ईश्वर की भक्ति कर रहा हूँ और फल स्वरूप आप हमें मार्क्स दे देंगे, तो मैं उसकी चिंता नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
Shut up and stop arguing with me.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, Mudit is waiting in the lobby.
Yes, I'll just let him in. Mudit Jain, do you even know what's the time? It's 9:06 and I don't let students enter my class after 9:05.
अरे मैम आने दो ना.
What is this array and all? I'm your teacher, not your friend, so you better talk to me properly.
ओके मैम, पहले मुझे आप ये बताइए धरती का आकार क्या है?
गोल, पर तुम मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहे हो?
तो मैं अगर टाइम पे आ जाऊंगा तो धरती का आकार गोल से चौकोर नहीं हो जाएगा?
बहुत हार्ड भाई.
Everybody keep quiet. And Mudit Jain, I have told you thousands of times not to do this nonsense. Only 2 months are left for board exams, so you better study hard.
Okay, ma'am.
So students, yesterday we were talking about planning. So let us recall. Planning is thinking about the future. What is to be done, why it is to be done, how it is to be done, and by whom it is to be done. Agree with me? Agree करते ही नहीं है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mudit. So as you said, yes, ma'am, first, tell me, what do you mean by planning?
Actually, ma'am, currently I'm thinking to bunk the class, so I'm planning for that. That's called planning. Simple as that.
Oh, shut up. You think you're very smart? The person sitting next to your screen is 15 times smarter than you.
Sorry, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Oh, I'm getting a call from the management. Just give me 20 seconds. Till then, you will open your books and start reading the chapter.
And you know what time it is? Disco time.
Mudit, music on कर.
Turn off the music. Turn off the music.
Sorry, ma'am.
You know night is being recorded. Everything is being recorded here.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry.
Gaurav, I'm happy to see you in the class after such a long time.
Yeah, boy.
So, give me this question's answer. How will you convert 70 centimeter into meter?
2,000 years later.
I don't know, ma'am.
What is this? I don't know, ma'am. You have to tell.
If you're forcing me, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, you can take out centi from centimeter and meter is left. That's my answer.
So, Devashish,
Ma'am, actually it's not Devashish, it's Snehashish.
oh, Snehashish, tell me, what is human resource development?
What ma'am? Human resource development.
Yes.
According to Byju's.
वाह स्नेहाशीष जी वाह ये आप क्या कर रहे हैं
Oh, bro! What are they? Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Turn on your cameras. I am seeing all of you are giving attendance in the chat box, but none of you are turning on your cameras. This is not done. Attendance is secondary thing. First come videos. Everybody switch on your videos. Ansh, turn on your camera. Ansh, I'm removing you from the class.
A few moments later.
Ansh, turn on your camera. This is the second time I'm allowing you in the class. Now, if you don't turn on your camera, I will udan chew you from the class.
Sorry, ma'am. That time I was unable to unmute the mic and say that I won't be able to switch on my today's camera cause of the network issue.
All these are old excuses. Find something new from the next time.
Ma'am, I have one new excuse.
Yes, say please.
Ma'am, Wi-Fi operator काट के चले गया. That is why I'm using my mobile data. Simple.
Oh, shut up. And now let's study about money.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Rohit, mute
अरे
your
रोहित
mic.
भाई म्यूट कर.
I don't want to hear what is happening in your background.
So sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry. I'll just mute myself.
Ansh, stop cheating.
रात के 2 बज गए और अभी तक मेरा नोट्स बनाना खत्म नहीं हुआ। सर दर्द भी शुरू हो गया, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं। अगर इन्हीं नोट्स की वजह से मेरे बच्चों का भविष्य सुधर जाता है तो मुझे कोई मलाल नहीं है, मुझे अपने ऊपर गर्व होगा। मेरा माइग्रेन पेन भी शुरू हो गया, लेकिन क्या करूं, घर में कोई जगह भी नहीं जिससे कॉफी बनवा। कोई बात नहीं, ये हॉट वाटर पी के अपना काम चला लेती हूँ। थोड़ी सी शांति तो मिली।
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट। धरती का आकार गोल से चौकोर हो गया, तुम तो टाइम पर आ गए।
नहीं मैम, हमारी आंखें खुल चुकी है और हमें अपनी गलती का एहसास हो गया है मैम। प्लीज हमें माफ कर दीजिए। वी आर सॉरी मैम।
We are sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
देखो बच्चों, जहां तक बोर्ड एग्जाम्स की बात है, अभी भी वक्त है। अभी भी तुम लोगों के पास 2 महीने का टाइम है। तो अगर तुम लोग चाहो तो तुम लोग आज से और अभी से पढ़ाई करना शुरू कर सकते हो, जिससे कि तुम लोगों के अच्छे मार्क्स आए। और जहां तक मेरी बात है, मैं तुम लोगों की टीचर हूँ और तुम लोग मेरे जिगर के टुकड़े हो। मैं तुम लोगों से कभी नाराज नहीं हो सकती।
मैम, आज से आपका मैं हर बात सुनूंगा और मैं आपको कभी परेशान नहीं करूंगा।
और मैं बहुत बहुत ज्यादा माफी चाहता हूँ जो भी मिस्टेक मैंने क्लास में किया
We are sorry, teachers. Thank you for making us realize our mistake. We hope next time we'll try to make you happy. Not with the marks, but with a behavior. And please, sorry for whatever we have done. Thank you.
प्रेशर कुकर जैसे सर की बच जाए ना सीटी तब तक मार रट्टा मार
ओ पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार रट्टा मार
चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से तू उतार खिस खिस के भेजा कर ले तेज़दार यार रट्टा मार ओ रट्टा मार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार ओ भूल जाए एवरेस्ट चढ़ जा तू किताबों के पहाड़ 100 बार रट्टा मार ओ टक पक ब्रेन को तोड़ा उसको चाबुक मार जोरदार रट्टा
It is said that sorry is a magical word, but can it improve the mistakes which we have already done? The answer is no. Neither this 5-letter word nor the entire speech which I was following.
We thought that only way we could have enjoyed in this online classes is just by breaking the rules which was meant for our own benefit.
Every school is made up of two integral components, which are teachers and students. Both can't exist without each other. Today I am associated with such a wonderful school which is well known for its academics and co-curricular activities, and also it stands out one of the best school among West Bengal and even in India. I am very proud to be a part of this school.
We need to cooperate with our teachers in this online class, then this experience will be smooth for both teachers and students, and none of us will have any complaint about it.
Thus, we stand here to make this statement. Let's respect our teachers and let's celebrate Teachers' Day every day.
At last, we always regret for whatever wrong we did. We are sorry, teachers.
It's high time for us to understand that it's not only the time of fun and joy. And now, it's time for us to stay in limit and start studying hard.